Mastering prepositions. On, for days of the week. Hello there, language explorers. Today, we're going to dive into the world of English prepositions, focusing on one of the most commonly used prepositions, on. This versatile little word has many uses, but today, we'll concentrate on how we use it with days of the week. Prepositions can be tricky, but they're essential in helping us understand the relationship between words in a sentence. On is a preposition that often signifies a particular time or position. When it comes to days of the week, we use on to specify that something happens on a certain day. For example, I will see you on Monday. We have a meeting on Wednesday. They are going to the concert on Friday. Now, let's talk about some common mistakes people often make when using on with days of the week. Remember, we do not use on when we use words like tomorrow or today. For example, it's incorrect to say, I'll see you on tomorrow. Instead, we simply say, I'll see you tomorrow. Another common mistake is to use on with every. We don't say, I go to the gym on every Monday. We say, I go to the gym every Monday. Understanding the rules is one thing, but practice is key to mastering them. So, here are a few practice sentences. Fill in the blanks with the correct preposition or no preposition. 1. See you, blank, Friday. 2. They go swimming, blank, Wednesday. 3. She has piano lessons, blank, every Thursday. The correct answers are 1. See you on Friday. 2. They go swimming on Wednesday. 3. She has piano lessons every Thursday. And that wraps up our lesson for today on using the preposition on for days of the week. Remember, using on correctly can make your English sound more fluent and natural. Keep practicing, and you'll master it in no time. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.